So I'm standing here with Mark, and we are at Little Prince of Oregon, Mark. And you guys played a part of the Festival of Flowers, which happens over 30 years now. It's been happening at the Pioneer Courthouse Square. Tell me about this.
So we were contacted earlier this spring about supplying some of the grasses for that display. And so if you get a chance to go look at it, we supplied the Hakonakloa Macra areola, which is a variegated Japanese forest grass. We supplied Liriope Big Blue, which is a flowering grass that we grow here. And so Little Prince is kind of known for growing plants with texture and variegated colors, and so that's kind of what they came looking to us for.
And you know, we're so used to, so many of us have fallen in love with the plants that you guys create for us, and so we're so used to seeing them in garden centers and in gardens themselves, but this is a whole new venue, which is very exciting.
Yeah, it is, totally, and we're happy to be part of something that's so big like this in Portland.
Right.
Portland's such an awesome city, and so we're delighted to help out with it.
Well, there you have it. You know, you can go down this weekend and actually look at this really stunning design, which this year even includes some of the steps going up around the square. So it's a very beautiful thing. And then you can go, yeah, I'm going to get that. And then garden centers everywhere carry your stuff.
Absolutely.
So you can find those wonderful plants and grasses in your garden centers. Thanks so much. We're very proud of you guys. It's delightful.
Yeah.